Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a green smoothie. We are kicking off our day or our daily activities with these beautiful fruits and veggies. Here are the ingredients I'm using for the smoothie today. I'm using kale leaf. Some people use spinach. This kale leaf is washed already, clean. I'm using banana for taste. I don't want to add sugar, so I'm using banana as a substitute to sugar. And we also know that this banana is very rich in potassium. So I'm using strawberries, carrots, broccoli, and some ginger and cucumber. So this kale leaf is called a superfood. Why? Because it's loaded with a powerful antioxidant. It is rich in vitamin C. It helps to lower cholesterol. We all know that this cholesterol, if your cholesterol is bad, it leads to heart disease. This kale leaf we are seeing here today is very good source of minerals and fiber also. It helps some people, those who are fighting for weight loss, to lose weight. Kale is a superfood that can save our life. Kale contains vitamins, vitamin B, vitamin C, so it also contains folic acid. Instead of some of us taking pills or taking meds or medication every day, some people normally take vitamins every day. But if you take a glass of this smoothie we are about to make today, at least 2 to 3 glasses or 3 times in a week, it will help to lower your cholesterol. It will also help to fight weight loss. It fills up, because after making this now, we will take a glass of it for our breakfast. Like me, I normally take a glass of this every morning. It fills me up. It gives me more energy, because all these things we are looking for in a pill, like multivitamins, look at them here, you can see them all here. This strawberry we are seeing today is very rich in antioxidants. It helps to fight in this big world. See, I don't want to mention it, that big word C, it fights C. That's cancer, the virus. And we know that this carrot has carotene. It contains carotene and also vitamin A. This vitamin A helps in our vision. It helps in our skin cells or skin cells formation. And it also reduces infection. This banana is rich in potassium. And we all know the function of potassium. It maintains the alkalinity of the bile and the blood. It helps in our skin cells. So all this food all this superfood we are seeing here, when combined together, it helps in the formation of our red blood cell. You know, our blood cells will also be functioning very, very well without adding any artificial substance like medication. So this kale is a superfood. And broccoli, this broccoli we are seeing, you know, some people might be getting broccoli, like those who are living in abroad. We all know what broccoli is. Some kids don't like eating this broccoli you are saying, and that is how I make my kids eat fruits and vegetables. Some of the mixed vegetables, they will not like, mommy I don't want this, mommy I don't want that. But once it's all blended together, nobody will select, I want this, I want that. No. So they will all eat everything together. So let's get started. Since we have known the function and what it's all about, because this kale we are seeing here is also rich in folic acid, calcium, vitamin, all this, vitamin and fiber, potassium and iron is a good source of kale. So let's blend it together and see the outcome. Let the blender do the magic. And I'm using this water today. I'm using this bottled water to mix it up, you know, to help the blender do its work. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But remember, food is the ingredient that binds us together. Bye. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day.